Hi guys, welcome back to Pipelo vs YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we are going to discuss about another small program which includes cryptocurrency mining, or you can call it Bitcoin mining, etc. So let's get started. Firstly, you can see the libraries which are imported. So we have from Hush like import SHA-256. This imports SHA-256 function from the hash lab module for hashing. Then we have import time. Import the time module to measure the execution time of the mining process. Then we have given max nonce, which is sets the maximum number of iteration for nonce, that is a random number used in mining, to 100 billion. Then we are giving a function named SHA-256 text return SHA-256 text dot encode ASCII dot hexadent. So this defines a function named SHA-256 that takes a string text, encode it to ASCII, hashes it using SHA-256 and returns the hexadecimal digest to the hash. Then we have the next function as MINE. So here you can see it contains block number, transaction, previous hash, and prefix. This defines a mine function that performs mining process. It takes parameters such as block number, transaction, previous hash, and prefix zeros. We have prefix str is equal to 0 into prefix zeros. This creates a string which is prefix string consisting of prefix 0 number of 0 characters. This is used to compare against the hash to determine if it meets the difficulty requirement. Then we have for nonce in range max nonce. This starts a loop to iterate over the range from 0 to max nonce, which is 100 billion, trying different nonce values. Then we have text is equal to str block number plus transaction plus previous hash plus str nonce. This concentrates the block number, transaction, previous hash, and nonce into the single string which is text for hashing. Then we have new hash is equal to SHA-256 and text. So here this hashes the concatenated text using SHA-256 function and stores the result in the new hash. Then we have if new hash dot starts with prefix string. We have checks if the beginning of the new hash matches the prefix string. If it does, it means the hash meets the difficult requirement. Then we have printing of the statement is successful with bitcoins with the nonce value so and so value. This prints a success message with the nonce value that produce the valid hash. Then we return the new hash value. Then we have raise base exception, couldn't find correct hash after trying max invoice time. This raises an exception if no valid hash is found after trying all the nonce values up to the max voice. Then we have the if loop. So here basically if name is equal to main. So this we know that it checks the script is being run directly, which is not imported as a as a module. Then we have given transaction is equal to uh, open braces, close braces, and we have player 1, player 2, 200, player 3, player 4, 450. This basically defines a string called transaction representing a list of transactions in a block. The difficulty is equal to 6. This sets the difficulty level 6, which means the hash must be starts with 6 zeros. And then we have start is equal to time dot time. This records the correct time to measure the duration of the mining process. Then we have start time, printing of the start mining. So this prints a message indicating the start of the mining process. Then we have new hash is equal to mine 5 comma transaction. We have given a value and difficulty and close. So this basically calls the mine function with specific parameters, block of numbers of 5 of the defined transaction, a previous hash, and a difficulty, stores the returning hash in a new hash. Then we have toolkit. Tool time is equal to str So total time is equal to STR in the braces time dot time minus the start time. Calculate the total time taken for the mining by subtracting the start time from the current time and converts it to a string. Then we have print end mining. Mining took so much seconds. The message is being indicated at the end of the mining process and the time taken. Then we have print new hash. So this prints the resulting hash that met the difficult requirement. So let's quickly see the output of the program. So as usual, so cmd on. So you can see the statement called start mining. So if it's successful, it will end us giving the time, what is the number, etc. So let's wait a couple of seconds before that. So yeah, so it's printing yay successfully mined bitcoins with the nonce value. We got a nonce value of this one, and mining took 23 seconds, 23.5 seconds, and the value is this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.